and welcome to the Nigla Group presents the Tyson Talk Show Season 6, co-powered by Proveda Herbal India, hospitality partner Hotel Pips, beauty partner New Look Unisex Salon, fashion partner Ricky Roman, media partners Arun Bhumi, Spark News, Arunachal West News and MPL News Live. आज हमारे साथ है two beautiful beauty queens of our state. Welcome Miss Rovanko Thikak, the reigning Miss Capital, and also Thupten Lamu, the reigning Miss Universe Arunachal Pradesh. So सबसे पहले, how are you guys feeling?
I'm feeling very excited, especially to meet you. As I've already told you, your friends were missing you. I wanted to convey the message and I'm very excited.
What about you?
Yes, very much excited and quite nervous since this is my very first interview, I would say. So yeah, I'm looking forward to have a great time.
I'm also looking forward to it. So हमारे viewers हमारे साथ हैं, and can you please tell them about yourself? आप थोड़ा अपने बारे में, आपके background के बारे में, just like a basic introduction, please.
Okay, so hello everyone. I am Thupten Lamu, your very first reigning Miss Universe Arunachal Pradesh 2024, and I am from this very beautiful place called Tawang. And right now I'm pursuing my master's from Barunodaya University, and I am 23 years of age. Yeah, sorry.
Okay, hello everyone. This is Rovanko Thikak. I am the reigning Miss Capital. I am 23 years of age, currently pursuing my master's degree. I am from Nampong, that is in Changlang district, and I belong to the Tangsa community. Thank you.
ओके तो आप दोनों का बेसिकली जो जर्नी है इट्स अबाउट पैजेंट्री. आप लोग ने कैसे पैजेंट्री को अपने लाइफ में लेके आया और उससे कैसे क्लाइम्ड अप. सो कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी अबाउट योर पैजेंट जर्नी. हाउ हैज इट बीन एंड हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस सो फार?
My pageant journey has been like a roller coaster, I would say, like ups and downs. So my pageant journey started this year. इसी साल शुरू हुआ है, and oh my god, it started with a push from a friend कि जाओ कर लो, because I wanted to but I could not because I'm a like mama's girl. मम्मी बोलेगा करो तो करेगा, नहीं बोलेगा तो नहीं करेगा. But my mama was also like हाँ करो, and my friends were like करो करो करो. So I just started with that. It's like why not? I started with the first pageant of mine, and then for like unluckily I did not win there, but that was a push for me. And then I started preparing for like the next pageant, and then Miss Universe Arunachal came to me like a gift कि करो ये तुम्हारे लिए ही है. I think that's why you did not win the first one maybe. जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. You were meant for this maybe. And then I started preparing for that, and then the nationals happened. So my journey was like a roller coaster. It started and it kept on happening, and it was wonderful.
Lovely to hear about it. I mean, like, we are so proud of you. You represented us in Miss Universe India. और पहला, I think the viewers do not know कि this is our first representation at Miss Universe India. इससे पहले कोई भी अरुणाचल को represent नहीं किया. So we are very proud of you.
Thank you so much. I'm so glad to hear that after coming back from Jaipur, I was very nervous. How will I face the people of Arunachal? I was really nervous, but as soon as I got back, the support and love I got, the messages, especially from you. I was so happy to see your DM. You did well, and all of the people were supporting me. Like, oh my God, you did so well. We are proud of you. And I was like, I think I did my best. And if people are proud, if people are happy, then yeah, I think I did my best.
Definitely. What about you, Roman को? आप बताइए अपना pageant journey के बारे में थोड़ा सा viewers को.
My pageant journey, I would say it has been very transformative and very long. I say this because my very first pageant was Miss Capital, which I did in the year 2022. But I won't see that कि मेरा Miss Capital का journey बस audition से लेके finale तक था, because this was something that I really wanted to do for a very long time. I really love the stage. I have this love for dancing, even though I'm not a very good dancer, but like I think this love of mine of dance and the stage shifted me to pageantry. When I was like 14, I witnessed the very first pageant in my locality. It was a local show, of course, and all the contestants, I think most of them, I knew them. So they inspired me a lot. I asked this question to myself that if they can, why not me? And since then, that I think वो एक सपना होता है ना, वो रह गया मन में कि करना है. But I never got the chance to do any local pageant back in my district, क्योंकि I always used to give priority to studies. And also I was a science student. I took up science in 11th, 12th. So most of the pageants, local pageants, especially after आपका exams होता है, after exams. And even I am done with my exams, I used to have practicals again. I have to go for chemistry, botany, physics. So because of that, I missed a lot of opportunity. And also I did my graduation from Manipur. So 3 saal again. I even auditioned for Miss Arunachal 20, which edition I forgot, 20 I think, the year with जहाँ में Tokman Mengu ma'am.
Yes, yes, हाँ, हाँ.
Then I'm sorry if I pronounce her name wrong. So that year I even auditioned for it, and I did got selected for like top 40. But again, I am in other state, so traveling to and fro is not possible. So like that, मेरा ये जो pageant का जो करने वाला मतलब जो मन था, वो बहुत missed हुआ. Then after I was done with my graduation, I came in not Itanagar, Naharlagun. I thought of doing something new, like let's do something new. You have studied like बहुत पढ़ लिया, बहुत नहीं मतलब I just wanted to do something new, and my mom supported me. So like 4 years I was working as a part-timer in Naharlagun, and then Miss Capital came. I just gave audition, and here I am.
I think you're being very modest saying कि इतना अच्छा नहीं है आप dance में. I've seen you dancing in your talent competition. I've seen you and you were amazing. इतना मतलब you dance so beautifully. इतना सुंदर dance करता है ना रोवन को. अगर उनका कोई videos होगा ना, please look for it. She's an absolutely terrific dancer. So
Thank you so much for that.
She is. I wanted to say that, but I didn't want to interrupt. I was shocked when she said like, "I'm not a good dancer," because she is.
I love dancing. And
being very modest, we know you're a good dancer.
You
I
are a
don't
dancer.
feel that. I don't feel that. I think I love dancing. I can dance, but not a good dancer. I feel that.
No,
I feel that way.
You are a beautiful dancer. Very, very beautiful.
I dance as well, girl, but you are a dancer.
You also have seen you
Yeah,
dance.
she is also a very good
Yes,
dancer.
you're also a very good
Everybody-
dancer.
Yes.
हाँ,
I
बहुत
think
अच्छा
you are
dance.
also a good dancer.
Everybody is a good dancer.
I can sing थोड़ा सा लेकिन
No, you are a very
dance
good
तो
singer.
dance तो I'm so sorry.
I feel you can.
Maybe if I can try. आप दोनों सिखाओ please. Please थोड़ा सा
After
सिखाओ.
this,
After this,
yeah,
हाँ,
we're gonna
हाँ.
make a reel.
Definitely. So moving forward, since you just came back from Miss Universe India competition, so सबको पता है कि Miss Universe India बहुत सारा Miss Universe को produce किया है. For example, the recent one is Harna Sandhu, Susmita Sen, Lara Datta, the beauty queens. I think girls till today they look up to them. They inspire from them and they aspire to be like them. तो ऐसा इतना बड़ा कंपटीशन में जाना और तो उसके लिए डेफिनेटली बहुत सारा प्रिपरेशन तो लगा होगा. सो व्हाट डू यू वांट टू से कि प्रिपरेशन कैसा था, एंड देन व्हाट डू यू वांट टू टेल all the beautiful ladies who want to contest in Miss Universe India or Miss Universe Arunachal Pradesh, उनको आप क्या सजेशन देना चाहेगा अपने तरफ से, how to prepare the best?
Okay, so my preparation was also very hectic. It started like as soon as my state pageant ended, it started the preparations and everything. And I think the most of my credit I will give to her and our state director, Takamanju ma'am, because oh my God, the support they have given me. As you can see, we interact as a friend now. As of now, at the starting it was like ma'am, but now with her it's like a friend, a sister friend bond. And with Takamanju ma'am, she's like a second mother to me in a way, because the way they have supported me throughout. Yahan se we went from here to Delhi to like make my walking skills better. Of course we need that. Walk, you'll give a proper walk, then you'll get a chance to speak. So we need a proper walk, and then speaking skills. So I joined an academy over there, the Beauty High Academy, and Arnie sir, I think everybody knows him.
Yes.
He's a really good coach. Oh my God, the way he walks, I've always gasped every time he walks, because he's such a nice teacher. So he was my coach. He used to teach me over there, and after I was done with my practice and stuff, or before I leave, she was there ready with my food कि तुप्तन खा के जाओ, बिना खा के मत जाओ, तुप्तन उठो, रेडी करो, तुप्तन ऐसे करेगा क्या, planning कैसा, like she used to help me every time. And even me, I was like kind of, I was an independent person. Like I'm an independent person, but as soon as I met her and Anju ma'am, I was like, after I'm done with my work, I'll ask them, is this okay? Can I do this? Because she's much more into pageant than me, and she has much more experience than me because she has done 2 more pageants than me, and the national pageant was my very first national pageant. So I have a little less knowledge on that. So I was like, do you know this? Like, and she's every time ready to help me. And let me tell you this, guys, the wardrobe that I had over there, I think I'll say 20% was my idea and 80% was hers. We were like looking everywhere, what should I wear, what will I wear? And then I still have the pictures where we were like matching and the earrings, matching the dresses to wear there. So the preparations were going really nice. And also we used to have these speech sessions to like make my speech better, speech sessions, Q&A. She'll suddenly randomly ask me a Q&A. Like answer this to like check how confident I am. So that was how the preparations were going on, and it was really nice. And also at the starting, it's really nice. You like that energy, you like that boost, but slowly it starts to get very hectic. So my message to the girls who will be going for the Miss Universe India next year, I want you guys to be like ready for it because it's gonna be hectic, but you love it. It's kind of a love-hate relationship with that. Like you love it. You love the pain, I'll say, of that journey, and you'll have to be ready and to like take all the challenges with you. And don't worry, there are people who will be there with you, and I will also be there with you next year, and we're gonna support you. Yeah.
So that was a lovely briefing about your whole journey. Na?
Yeah.
And then I think what the future generation of the girls who are going to take a beauty pageant, आप लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? I think that you can ask them whatever. They are free to answer. And you know it usually happens if अगर कोई हमको भी पूछने से कि क्या करना चाहिए सिस्टर दीदी आप बताइए, तो जो भी मेरा थोड़ा मोड़ा एक्सपीरियंस है I tell them. आई थिंक कि आप ना किसी को भी पूछेगा कि थुप्तेन हो गया रोवान को किसी को भी दे विल नेवर से नो टू यू, दे विल डेफिनेटली गिव यू गुड एडवाइसेस. सो रोवान को अभी जो मिस कैपिटल का न्यू एडिशन है उसके लिए उसको लेके बहुत सारा लोग का एंटिसिपेशन है कि कब होगा कैसे होगा, क्योंकि थोड़ा टाइम भी हो गया ना. सो कैन यू प्लीज़ टेल हमें क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि होने कब वाला है मिस कैपिटल?
तो आई थिंक इट्स ऑलरेडी 1 साल से ज़्यादा हो चुका है मिस कैपिटल 6th एडिशन को हुए, एंड द 7th एडिशन इज गोइंग टू बी हेल्ड वेरी सून. सो गर्ल्स बी प्रिपेयर्ड, मे बी एंड ऑफ दिस ईयर और बिगिनिंग ऑफ द नेक्स्ट ईयर तब तक हो जाएगा. तो आप अभी से अपना प्रिपरेशन शुरू कर सकते हैं.
Girls, start your preparations. Okay, on this note, we are going to take a small Nigla coffee break and let's watch the ad from our sponsors. वेलकम बैक अगेन टू द टाइसन टॉक शो सीजन 6. मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, अभी हम लोग थोड़ा सा गेम लेके आते हैं, थोड़ा फन लेके आते हैं हमारा इंटरव्यू में. सो आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क बोथ ऑफ यू some rapid fire questions, starting with Ms. Thupten Lamu. Okay, so you have to be very quick, okay?
Sure.
Heels or shoes?
Shoes.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Go to karaoke song?
Oh my god, I know the song, but it's not coming to. Blank
Oh,
space.
Okay. Favorite comfort food?
Momos.
Most embarrassing moment?
Recently, when I fell, when I went to attend some function and I fell on my in my heels.
How was it?
It was embarrassing.
How did the people react to it?
They were coming to like hold me, and it was embarrassing because I was like, no, 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 it's fine. I'm a pageant girl, but then I fell.
It's okay, it happens to us. Okay, starting with second, let's go to Romanko, okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Heels or shoes?
Shoes.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Go to karaoke song?
Baby Justin Bieber.
Okay. Favorite comfort food?
These days it's supa.
Most embarrassing moment?
That I have to think now. In my life,
Yes.
when I sang in the assembly.
Really?
Yeah. And I was having a bad throat that day. नाक भी बह रहा था and in between I did.
I think इसका थोड़ा हम लोग को story चाहिए होगा. How did you even reach to assembly?
Actually जब I was in like Saint Xavier school नाम हमारे वहाँ का. So what happened कि every assembly it's the class duty कि आप वहाँ पर एक performance देना है. And that day was my turn. And I was like, what should I do? Because I can only dance, nothing else. And in school, I was the dumbest kid. I can only be good at stage, but academically, sports-wise, I'm a very weak student. So it was my turn. I had to do. So I sang, and it was so bad.
What song was it?
You know this तुम भी तन्हा थे हम भी तन्हा
Oh.
थे मिलके रोने लगे.
Okay, now I know why it's embarrassing. Now we know.
क्योंकि नाक बह रहा था ना. I was having सर्दी, so I did. And since that day, I never sang. No. Singing
Assemblies
is
are
not
always
my thing.
embarrassing.
I know. It happened different, but somehow similar happened. Okay. Anyway, moving forward with our questions now. Since अभी आप दोनों का pageant जो journey है, it's your reign as Miss Capital is going to come to end, and even आपका जो Miss Universe Arunachal Pradesh, and even आप हमें represent भी किया है Miss Universe India में. So what will be your next step towards your future?
So right now I'm pursuing my masters. So I am thinking of continuing with my aspiration, like the lecturer. So I wanted to be a lecturer. So I am thinking of continuing with that, but with pageantry. So one hand lecturer, one hand pageantry, why not? So I'm thinking of doing both. And also during the nationals, I started, we had to present a project, and during that I started this project called Sound of Hope, related with my sign language, for the hard of hearing people. So that's what I started it for, to represent them. I won't say very soon, but I am thinking of starting my project, the Sound of Hope, not very soon, sorry, but I want to start that project and continue that project. And I don't want to start it very soon because I want to do it properly, अच्छे से, और सबका मदद करना है. And I hope I can do it with the support of like the people and everyone, and with myself too, with a proper presentation, project and everything. And yeah, that's my future plan.
Well, all the best for your future. What about you, Romanko?
Right now, I am like working as a freelancer. I also contribute myself in events, like as a coordinator. I would say I'm still on pageant. I'm still a pageant aspirant. After Miss Capital, I did 2 pageants in Northeast. However, unfortunately, couldn't win any title. But like I got a lot of experience, and I'm still working on that. I mean, I'm doing my masters, so I'm studying, also working as a freelancer, and yeah, maybe after a few years you would see me in pageants. But till then, I'm here to like support girls who are into pageants. Like I want to work in the events, and Lissy have said that she wants to work in her project, so I could be a supporter. I will be behind you. I just want to do that part for now.
She's one of the helper of my project.
Oh, wow.
We were discussing about it. I wanted to do this project, and she was the one who came up with the name actually.
Oh.
Sandoku. So I was just discussing that with her.
Thanks to
So
ChatGPT.
you're already a part of it.
Yeah, so yeah, well, like winners like her or any other, the like next Miss Capital or next Miss Universe, I just want to support them, like to help them reach their best potential, and just work on myself. And maybe a few years after, you'll see me in pageants. But now it's a break.
ओके ओके सो ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर फ्यूचर एज वेल सो जैसे कि हम लोग व्यूवर्स एंड मी वी गॉट टू नो लॉट अबाउट बोथ ऑफ यू तो अभी तक जितना हम लोग ने सम अप किया है उससे पता चला है कि आप दोनों ही बहुत सारा चीज़ एक साथ में जगल कर रहे हैं दिस एंड दिस विथ पैजेंट सो जस्ट आस्किंग हाउ डू यू अचीव योर गोल स्ट्रगलिंग बोथ in hand?
I think that's a struggle. I would say that's a very big struggle. But for me, this is a thing for me. If I don't get things to juggle, I'll stop doing my things. अगर एक ही चीज़ छोटा सा चीज़ होगा वो करके छोड़ देगा फिर I'll just rest. So I need things to like keep me busy. So I need to do this, I need to do that, then I'll get busy, and then I think I like a little pressure as well in me, because when I get a little pressure and then I'll start working a lot after that. So I like juggling, I would say. I don't know about other people. Some of them they like it, some of them they don't. It's hard, I know, but I like juggling myself because my mother is kind of like that. She's always juggling her work, children, and everything. So I help her. I took a 1-year gap for my studies as well to help her with the business and stuff. So I've learned from her, and I think I took that, and now इट्स सेट इन मी वो बस गया मेरे अंदर. अगर भी मुझे जगल करने के लिए नहीं मिलता तो मैं परेशान हो जाती हूँ. तो आई नीड लाइक समथिंग और अदर विथ मी टू लाइक जस्ट बी बिजी.
You're a workaholic.
I wouldn't say that, but yeah,
You like to be busy.
Yeah.
Busy girl.
yeah, otherwise I'll just get lazy. So I want to be busy girl.
Okay, how about you?
Like balancing things. I think that is what pageant girls do. You have to work on the ramp. You have to also prepare your Q&A. You have to make sure your wardrobe is good. I think that is which applies in life as well. You have to do your studies. You have to also work. You have to maintain your professional and personal life. And I think I do that by learning like which aspect of my life need that spotlight at that moment. Just being on the present and like working on the things that are important. That's how I balance things.
Okay, great. So, since we are talking about pageants, is there someone in particular or some person who was like a push factor जो आपको बहुत ही ज़्यादा support किया है, जो आपको inspire किया है pageant में आने के लिए या फिर pageant का जो field है उसको pursue करने के लिए? Is there someone like that in your life?
For me, I would say as like I think most of the girls who started their pageant journey उनको बचपन से ही पता चल जाता है कि उनको pageant में जाना है. They get that sparkle in their eyes when they watch like the pageant girls in the TVs.
Yes.
I think every girl has that story कि बचपन में TV में देखा था, and it's true. So even I had that, but I think as I said before, I am like mama's girl. I'm an independent girl with my mama. So my mother is my everything. She's a single parent, so she's my everything. If she says no, then it'll be a no. If she says yes, then it's a yes. So at first, because like even a single parent, they are like judged sometime. How will she raise a daughter? Will she be able to? How will she? So there are question marks. So at first she wasn't ready for it. Like pageant ka journey, because people comment, and of course any parent like wouldn't like that, like watching their children being bullied in like online or something like that. So she wasn't ready. But one day I got a call. There's this pageant Miss Monyul for like Tawang पे. तो वहाँ पे ये audition चल रहा था. After the audition was over, my mother called me and she was like, यहाँ में Miss Monyul चल रहा है ना, तुम audition नहीं करेगा? And I was like, audition खत्म हो गया मम्मी. And then she was like, oh फिर भी हो जाएगा तो तवांग का ही है ना, जाओ. And like नहीं होगा, खत्म हो गया. And then as I told you, so I think my mother is like my push factor. And after that I had this Miss Arunachal. I auditioned for Miss Arunachal. my friends pushed me there, as I told you. They pushed me. They're like, audition for it. It's nothing. You want to, right? Just give it a try. Who knows? And then I gave it a try, and I was in top 20. I was so shocked. It was my very first pageant. So after I got into top 20, then I called my mother, and I was like, हमने audition दिया था, हम select हो गया. And then my mother was like, हाँ इतना अच्छा है, Miss Arunachal तो अच्छा है, करो करो, वो तो बड़ा है तो बहुत. And then I think after that she started pushing me. I used to get a call every day, even during nationals. Right? She used to call me like कभी कभी 11-12 बजे, क्या कर रहे, practice नहीं करेगा, तो पढ़ाई नहीं करेगा. She used to call me and ask. And for her, she is like not properly educated, so she doesn't know what's pageant. She doesn't know the term.
Anko, your story.
Like she have said, I think her daughters ka jo, matlab, most of the daughter, their push factor, their support system are usually their mother, and of course my mother have supported me throughout my life. I did the singing, I did boxing, I did dancing, and she has been there throughout my life. But about the pageantry, I think the one who pushes me to be here, I think it was the 14-year-old Rowanko. And I say this not with pride, but with humility. I think it was her dream to be on stage, to speak her mind, to represent herself. And right now, I would say pageant is not just about competition to me. Like, it's more about embracing the stage, embracing yourself, and just honoring the 14-year-old me who had dreams.
ओके हमारे जो टाइसन टॉक शो है उनके फैमिली की तरफ से आप दोनों के लिए एक छोटा सा प्रेजेंट.
Thank you so much.
A token of love to our beautiful ladies.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
I'm gonna hang it today. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Tyson Talk Show.
Thank you so much for coming. It was lovely to having you both here, and I think सब लोग को बहुत कुछ आप दोनों के बारे में जानने का मौका भी मिला है. And then there are a lot of things we can look forward to also from both of you in the future. So all the best to you both, and to all the viewers, keep watching the Tyson Talk Show Season 6. Thank you.